welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a cup of coconut water and a cup of orange drink with two letters, letter C and letter U. So let's get started. Okay, this is a letter U shape. Then I'll be needing my coconut, the image of coconut. I'll place the coconut on the letter U shape and double click it and expand it and slant it. Then I'll make the U shape to become a coconut cup. Alright, so I'm done. I'm going to put it on top. Then the next thing I'll be doing is get a coconut water drink that is peeled, half peeled. So I'll be using this. I'll crop this because I only need this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on top. Then I'm going to double click it and I will expand it just the way I did, and I will slant it a bit to fit into what I need it for. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fix it just to fit it. Okay, so I'm done with it. So I'll go ahead and drag it down to cover up the U shape. And here you go. So the next thing I'll be doing is I will need a C shape, a letter C. Then I'm going to use coconut, the unpeeled coconut. I put it in the letter C. Then I'm going to double click it and expand it to fit into the shape. And I think I've got it. Alright, so this is done. Turn it upside down. Then we have our handle. So I'll group it together and send it backward. Alright, so we have it backward. I'm going to expand it a bit and reduce it. Now we have our handle. The cup handle is set. So, and here you go. All I need for this is I'm going to need orange. I need an orange. So I'll put in the orange here and right click it and slant it also to fit into the cup. And here you go. So the orange cup is set. So I'm going to need an orange that has already been cut into half, which is this. So we have a cup of coconut water and a cup of orange juice. So guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Let me know which one is your favorite from the comment section. And don't forget to follow, like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video. Bye.